tap on your profile right here, and I will show you how to use coupons on Superbuy. Tap on my balance right here, and then tap on wallet right here on this option wallet, and tap on coupons. And from here we show up to available coupons and used coupons and expired coupons. And from here we have a lot of coupons, and you need to understand, you need to read this carefully. And after that, if you buy this amount, the minimum this amount, you will get this discount. And with this coupon right here as well, if you buy the minimum this price, you will get this discount. And with this as well, if you buy this price, the minimum, you will get a discount which is 100% off. And if you have manual coupon code, insert it right here and tap on redeem from here, and you will have a code, discount code, and that's it. Please leave a like on the video. If this video helped you, subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.